Hi. So we'll talk about Pareto optimality or Pareto efficiency. Okay. So in the last video, we talked about construction of Edgeworth box, and this Edgeworth box has different allocations, right? So these are the allocations inside the Edgeworth box. Okay. So now we want to know that which of these allocations are Pareto efficient and which of these are not Pareto efficient. Okay. So to know that, we need a definition for Pareto optimality, which was given by Wilfredo Pareto. Okay, so he gave the definition of Pareto efficient allocations, and the definition is that we call any particular allocation Pareto efficient if it is not possible to reallocate the goods so as to make one consumer better off without making someone else worse off. Okay, आप reallocation के बाद किसी भी इंडिविजुअल को अगर आपको बेटर ऑफ करना है, यू कैन नॉट डू इट विदाउट मेकिंग समवन एल्स वर्स ऑफ. So if that is the case, then we call such a allocation Pareto efficient. Now, why is it this? Why this definition should hold? So why this type of allocation is Pareto efficient? Let's talk about that. So the point is that it is saying कि you should not be able to, basically it is saying that you should not be able to make both the individuals better off after reallocation. Okay, so let me call this particular point C. Okay, so this is point C, and this definition is saying that if there is a way to reallocate, okay, to redistribute this bundle and move to a different bundle जहां पर दोनों better off है. Okay, यानी अगर मैं यूटिलिटी सी पर और डी पर चेक करूं इंडिविजुअल ए की, ओके, और इंडिविजुअल बी की. ऑल राइट, सो यूएसी इज यूटिलिटी ऑफ कंज्यूमर ए फ्रॉम बंडल सी एंड UAD is utility of consumer A from bundle D. All right. So agar if there is a way by which I can make both of them better off, okay, there is a way by which I am able to increase the utility of both the consumers, okay, then how can C be Pareto efficient? How can this be a efficient bundle? एक ऐसा तरीका एग्जिस्ट करता है by which I am able to make to increase the utility of both the individuals. That means this initial bundle was not a good bundle. Okay, it is not efficient enough because I am able uh, to increase the welfare of the society without decreasing the welfare of any particular individual. So if this is the case, then C is not Pareto efficient because बेटर तरीका, एक बेटर बंडल एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है जहां पर दोनों की यूटिलिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. ओके, इवन इफ दिस वर द केस वेयर बी की यूटिलिटी सेम है बट ए की यूटिलिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है, यू आर एबल टू इंक्रीज द यूटिलिटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल ए बट द इंडिविजुअल बी इज इनडिफरेंट, उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. ओके, then still it is then still C is not Pareto efficient, and the reason is because still there is a better point available. किसी कोई भी वर्स ऑफ नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, नो वन इज गेटिंग वर्स ऑफ बट इंडिविजुअल ए इज गेटिंग बेटर ऑफ. आप किसी का वेलफेयर इंक्रीज कर पा रहे हो और दूसरे किसी इंडिविजुअल का वेलफेयर डिक्रीज नहीं हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स आपका इनिशियल बंडल वॉज नॉट एफिशिएंट एनफ. ओके, सो एंड यू कैन मेक डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस. दिस सेम और बी की इंक्रीज हो रही है, they both are similar cases. All right, so all such cases where इंडिविजुअल, एक इंडिविजुअल की यूटिलिटी से मैं दूसरे की इंक्रीज हो रही है या फिर दोनों की इंक्रीज हो रही है, ऑल दीज केसेस आर फॉर नॉट Pareto efficient allocations. So we will call a particular allocation Pareto efficient only when if you are able to increase utility of one individual, the utility of other individual must decrease. Only then we will call such a bundle Pareto efficient. Or the reverse case, you are able to increase the utility for individual B, but utility of individual A is decreasing. So you are making here B better off, but A is getting worse off. Getting worse off means utility after redistribution has decreased. Okay, so only in this case where you can only make one person better off, but you have to make the other person worse off. Only in that case you can call the initial bundle Pareto efficient. Now let's solve one question in the next video.